chicken varuval. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do I make this delicious chicken varuval. This is one of my favorite dish in Indian cuisine. Okay, let's go guys. I show you how to make this dish.
Eyes blue or brown, can't remember. Lord, I try my best since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color.
These are the ingredients that we are going to use for our chicken varuval. This is 500 grams of chicken. I have already marinated this for 4 hours with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. We also need sliced onions, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, chilli, star anise, bay leaves, cardamom seeds, cloves, 1 handful of curry leaves, 1 tomato, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And also our salt and pepper to taste, ginger garlic paste, ghee, and oil. So let's get started guys. First thing we're gonna do is to put our ghee in here. And oil. Once our oil and our ghee is already heated, we have to put the chili, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, bay leaves, cardamom, be careful guys not to burn all this, otherwise your mixture taste burnt. Put the curry leaves. It smells good already. Our onions. Look at all these spices. This is really make our dish yum. Let it fry until our onions become soft and the smell is coming out. Then also add our tomato. fry for a little bit more longer, and then we can add our chicken. After a few minutes of frying of all our spices here, our onions, tomato, cumin seeds, cardamom seeds, we're gonna add our chicken. You need to marinate this, guys, at least 4 hours. And I didn't add too much of chili because I have gastric issues. I don't want my stomach to be acted up again. But if you want to be hot, a bit hotter, you can add more chili, a lot of chilies, dry chili. Okay. Just stir this, and you need to simmer it until all the juices from the chicken will come out. This is really good, guys. This is one of my favorite dish for the Indian dishes because I really like this one. One thing, if you do your own, you can adjust the spiciness, because when we buy in the shop, sometimes it's really hot, and even it is so tasty, I couldn't eat because it's really spicy. So I better make our own, then I can enjoy eating. This time you can add salt. Be careful of putting salt, guys. Don't put too much, otherwise you cannot take out the saltiness. Just enough. If you need more later, you can put it. And then just stir, and don't put any water. Let the juice from the chicken cook this one, and you need to cover it and simmer it for at least 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally. We need all the liquids from this chicken evaporates, and the oil will come out, and then we can add water. Since the oil is starting to come out now, we're gonna add our water. Just 1 cup water, guys, or 3/4 cup of water. And give it a stir. And also, guys, I forgot to show you the potato in the ingredients. I'm adding potato because my boss loves potato, but this is optional. It's up to you if you want to add potato. I'm putting it because this is my boss' favorite. Give it a stir. And we're gonna add all our powder spices. Our chili, cumin, fennel, curry powder, and our ginger garlic paste. And give it a stir. All the spices, guys, it's up to you how much you want to put. Because I couldn't take it when it's too spicy. I just only put little bit, enough that I can handle. But if you want more spicy, you can add more of the curry powder and the chili powder. And also the red dry chili. I just put enough for me to handle because I have the gastric issues, so I better look after my health also. So let it cook, and we're gonna make it dry because chicken varuval is a dry dish. In the shop, guys, it's really red because I think they put too much of the curry powder, all the spices. Mine, I just put little bit, so it's a mild chicken varuval. Also, guys, don't forget to add your pepper. Add the pepper, and also taste whether enough salt already at this time. I'm happy with the taste already. So we just have to wait until our potato are cooked and our dish will become dry. Here it is, the finished product of our chicken varuval. If you enjoy watching my video, please do subscribe, like, and share also. And thank you for supporting to my channel. God bless us all, and I love you all. Love, love, love. Love from Joy Gonzaga. Love you guys. Bye.
Tell me your heart out there.